The Motorbike Rider Digital Magazine.
Now, earlier on today we were in Abu Dhabi, and that's it over there. See the line of houses? That's Abu Dhabi. I think it is going to try and rain. Either the moisture on my visor is coming off the truck in front, or it is giving it a go and trying to rain. So detouring both is we're going to turn left here, off to Mahontlith. And here we are coming into Mahontlith, the ancient capital of Wales. And also the home of what used to be the Centre for Alternative Technology. Still can't remember where it was. Or what it did. Or it did something. There it is, Centre for Alternative Technology. It's still going. Get in! God, that's a long time since I've been here to know that. One thing I do recall, because there's the sign there for the Centre of Alternative Technology. One thing I do recall is it's got a water lift. So this lift, it's very, very steep. And by lift I mean it's on rails, so it goes up the side of a hill. And it's powered totally with water. An amazing thing. Amazing experience to actually, to go up and down that lift. I bet it's changed a bit now. That would have been, the last time I knew about them would have been in 1993. The brain's an amazing organ, isn't it? Absolutely bloody amazing. King Arthur's Labyrinth and Corris Craft Centre. No matter how many times I come past this area, it's still bloody fantastic. There you go, look at the scenery that we're coming up to the front of the hotel. Surrounded by, well, you know what I'm going to say. Stunning countryside.
The Motorbike Rider Digital Magazine, bringing you video features, video tours and video reviews. Take out a subscription to Motorbike Rider Digital Magazine now and get access to all the issues when you want, wherever you want, with whatever tablet and smart mobile device you have.